In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects from model space to layout in AutoCAD. This is useful when you want certain geometry, symbols, or details to live directly on a paper layout rather than inside a model viewport. We'll keep it clear and practical, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything lines up the way you expect. Start by making sure you're in model space. At the bottom of your AutoCAD window, click the Model tab to access your drawing area. This is where your full-scale geometry lives. Zoom to the area you need so selection is easy and precise. Next, select the objects you want to move. You can use the Select tool from the ribbon or Type Select, then click the objects individually or use a window selection. If you pick something by mistake, hold Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. It's a good idea to keep your selection tidy, so only the intended items are transferred. Now you'll copy or cut the selection with a base point. Right-click and choose Copy with base point if you want to keep the objects in model space, or choose Cut with base point if you want to remove them from there. When prompted, click a reliable base point on your selection. Use object snaps like endpoint, midpoint, or intersection for accuracy. This base point acts like a handle, so you can align the objects correctly when you paste. Switch over to a Layout tab at the bottom to move into paper space. If your layout is blank, that's fine. You can place and organize things there. If you have a title block or viewport set up, zoom to where you want to place the objects. Paste your objects into the layout. Right-click and choose Paste to Original Coordinates to place them at the same X and Y position as in model space. This is ideal when your coordinate systems match and you need exact alignment. If you prefer to position them manually, choose Paste, then click to place them using your base point. Adjust the scale and position as needed. Select the pasted objects and use Scale to resize them for paper space, or Move to nudge them into place. Remember, paper space uses plotted units, so sizes may differ from model space. If you're showing your model through viewports, it's common to keep model geometry in model space and reserve paper space for annotations and layout elements. Finally, save your drawing. It's wise to save under a new name if you cut objects from the model and want a backup. That's it. Clean, accurate transfers from model space to your layout.